In recent years, the popularity of Bitcoin has surged forward, with governments, financial companies, and even credit cards partnering with Bitcoin-based companies. The global addition of digital money is gaining popularity and momentum. As regulators continue to integrate Bitcoin platforms, more traditional finance and investment companies such as Goldman Sachs and Fidelity are also getting involved. If you are new to Bitcoin yourself, acquiring a basic understanding of the benefits of Bitcoin would be a wise thing to learn. Here are a few key benefits that have captured the imagination of the financial marketplace and the general public alike. Bitcoin first became available to own and trade in 2009, which was not long after the global housing crisis hit during the fourth quarter of 2008. As a digital asset, Bitcoins are created through a process called mining. Their design allows for only a fixed number of Bitcoin to ever be created, so they will never devalue in the same way that paper money or fiat currency devalues from overprinting. This limited supply has created a meteoric rise in BTC value over the past decade, with 2009 prices for 1 BTC at 1 US cent and peaking at a high so far of just under 20,000 US dollars. This projected supply and demand gives Bitcoin a high store value. Many believe it has surpassed gold as a store value asset. The future seems limitless, with a flood of tech companies allowing more convenient ways to access and utilize Bitcoin. Highly respected economists and financial experts believe that Bitcoin prices will continue to rise, ultimately eclipsing 100,000 US dollars and more for just one Bitcoin. The Forex market is also connected to Bitcoin, as highly respected Forex brokers around the world now allow Forex traders to fund their Forex accounts with Bitcoin.